Hi guys, it's Carolina. I know I've been away for a long time and that's why I decided to make a little draw with me video to catch up a little bit. Very briefly, before I get started with that, in this video I'm working on these radial doodles that I've been enjoying lately. These are just some examples of that. They're really easy to do. You just draw a line across the midpoints of your sheet of paper and then you just start doodling. It's really relaxing, so I hope you try it out. Anyway, let's get back to catching up. When I started this channel back in 2015, I was out of college, unemployed, and unable to find a job for a few months. So to keep myself from sinking further into depression and to help myself use all this free time in a positive way, I decided to take these Tumblr posts that I'd been writing and turn them into videos. I thought videos because it's a lot more likely that someone will sit through a video about drawing than reading an essay about drawing, so it's just common sense. So I did some research and gathered the equipment, some of which I borrowed, some I already had, and some I bought, really just the audio equipment. So then I dove into this hobby and I was 100% committed to it. I started the Simple Art Tips website also to have all the written and the video content available together in one place. This whole project was a really good way for me to get out of my depression and feel like I was actually helping people, which is what was my #1 goal from the beginning. Eventually I got a job and I lost that one, so I got another one. And then another one. And then I went to grad school for a year in South Dakota. And then I came back to Arizona. And I just stopped having the time and the space and the energy necessary to keep the Simple Art Tips project going. But I always wanted to keep the channel and the website live because I was and am still getting really nice comments and emails almost every day from people who find my work inspiring or helpful, so I decided to not take down any of the videos or close the channel or stop paying hosting for the website because it seemed important to keep everything available and out there for anybody who might need it. I've always had the intention of coming back to Simple Art Tips and making more content. I was just waiting to have the time and the space and the energy to do it. At this point, I have a full-time job. I have my own apartment and a cat called Charlie. He says hello. I don't think I can commit to uploading videos regularly, like once a week, like I used to do. Maybe once or twice a month would be more realistic right now. But I'm really excited to start making content again and getting back to helping people. So that's a really quick recap of what's happened with me in the last 4 years. Basically, I was busy figuring out my life as a 20-something-year-old. The content may change a little bit. The look of Simple Art Tips is a little bit different. I gave it a little bit of an update, but it's still all about art and helping you teach yourself art. So I hope you like the new videos and thank you for sticking around if you've been here for a long time. If you're new, welcome to the channel. I'm really glad you're here. And that's all I really wanted to say. Thank you for watching and listening, and I'll have a new video up very soon.